Today I'm going to be reading the first section of this butterfly text, and then I'm going to be figuring out some important details in the main topic like we did last week for the turtle text. A female monarch butterfly floats in the air. She is looking for a special plant. At last she finds a milkweed plant and lays her eggs. Caterpillars hatch from the eggs in about a week. These little critters eat their way out of the egg using their strong jaws. Well, already I noticed that they mentioned the word eggs a few times, which makes me think that this section is about butterfly eggs. Just like the turtle section, the first section was about turtle eggs. So now I'm going to go in here and I'm going to put in my main topic. Butterfly eggs. Now I'm going to add, using the text tool, some different details that I learned about butterfly eggs that are from the text. Okay, let me go back to the story. She finds a milkweed plant and lays her eggs. So, eggs. Butterfly lays eggs on milkweed plant. That's the first detail I found out about butterfly eggs. Now I'm going to add another text box to add my next detail. Caterpillars hatch from the eggs in about a week. These little critters eat their way out of the eggs using their strong jaws. Oh, okay. So I'm going to add here and say caterpillars eat their way out of the eggs. Now, with this section being so small, I can only come up with 2 details that had to do with butterfly eggs. But that's okay. If I could find more, then I could add more. But in this case, I only needed to add the 2. Now, in order for me to save it, I'm going to click the check mark. Before I do, when you guys see this, you're going to see this on your first page. Make sure you come over to page 2 and click page 2 for you to add the next section. When you're finished, click the green check mark. Boom, there you go, it's submitted.